families. Welcome back to another valuable, interesting money-making video. In today's video, I will be showing you legit website. You can actually write short stories and get paid. This is work from home job opportunity. This is passive income, make money online, okay? So this website that I'm about to reveal to you will pay you from $100 to $500 per accepted story. And the good news is that as far as your story is captivating, is lesson filled, they will surely accept your story. So the number one website we have on our list today is onestory.com. Okay, One Story publishes one great short story at a time. We bring people together through reading, writing, and learning about short fiction. Now, submit a story. Submissions are open. They will close when we reach our cap of 2,000. So once they gather stories of 2,000, they will not accept any other story again. So you need to act very fast because this is another opportunity for you to make money online. So this is where you are going to click. If you are going to submit your story, you just click on this place, this submittable, then you click on it, and then you submit your story over there. Now it says, please upload your submission as a PDF, okay, with a story title and all writers' contact information on the first page of the story. So they already give you the guideline for you to write your stories and get paid. Okay, now what kind of story is One Story looking for? One Story is looking literally fiction because of our format. So they needed a fiction story. Okay, they needed a fiction story. So all this is what you're going to ask your ChatGPT, right? And ChatGPT will give you a fictionary story. Okay, we can only accept stories between 3,000 and 8,000 words, which it is not a hard thing for you to do because we're not even the one writing the story, right? So it says they can be any style. Okay, they can be any style and on any subject as long as they are good. We are looking for stories that leave readers feeling satisfied and are strong enough to stand alone. So, and this is what they pay. Does One Story pay? And the answer is yes. One Story pays $500, okay, and 25 contributors copy for first serial North American right. All rights will revert to the author following publication. So you see what they are paying. So jump on it and submit your story and start cashing out ASAP before 2026. So the next website I have on my list where you can publish your short stories and get paid ASAP, right, is ClarksWorld. So this website also accepts short stories for publication and then you get paid. Mind you, the first one we talked about, just one, wants you to write 3,000 to 8,000 character word, but this one, the word limit is 1,000 to 22,000. So your story should not exceed 22,000 and it should not be below 1,000. So this one starts from 1,000. Once your character word is up to 1,000, you are eligible to publish that story. But the other one just now is 8,000, but the other one is 8,000. So you see the difference. So take note of all these things. Okay, 1,000 to 22,000 word, no exceptions. And this one pays 14 cents per word. That is beautiful. This is amazing. Like, I love this. This is huge amount of money and payment via PayPal. So you read all their guidelines through and make sure that yes, you follow their guidelines. Now, statement on use of AI. Writing tools such as ChatGPT we will not consider any submission translated, written, developed, or assisted by these tools. At this point, you guys will be panicking like, okay, then what do we now do? Or maybe this website is not for me. Probably I'll have to leave this website and go to another website. No, you can do something here. Now, this is what you're going to do, or probably. So at the end of this video, I'm going to show you what you can do because this website pays a lot. Okay, I wouldn't want you to skip this website, but they said they don't need ChatGPT to assist you in your work. But don't worry, there is a trick to it. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you, right? So this is how it is. You just read through and then follow their guidelines, submit, and then you start cashing out. Just make sure you remember me when you start cashing out. Okay, the next website on our list is eastoftheweb.com. eastoftheweb.com. So these people also, they accept story, right? They accept you to write a story for them and then you get paid. It's just like the other ones just now. So this one too is very, very lucrative. Now if you come down to this place, I will implore you to make sure that you read everything, to know their rules, to know how they do here. As you can see, how do I submit a story to East of the Web? Now to submit to East of the Web, take the following step. 1, protect your copyright. Now it asks you to see below, so you're going to click it to see below. Now number 2, by submitting a story to us, you agree to our terms and conditions. Note particularly that by submitting a work to us, you guarantee that you are the owner of the copyright to that work. We do not require any transfer of this copyright. By submitting a story to us, you agree to grant East of the Web a non-exclusive license to publish the work. So as you write your stories to them in this website, they are telling you that make sure that you are the original owner of that work and that you are allowing them to publish your work, because they too, they have a place they want to publish those stories. As they make money from those companies, that is how you are being paid, right? So, and they now say number 3, email the submission to submissionsir@eastoftheweb.com. Doesn't mean that when you publish one, you must be accepted. So if you publish a story and it's not accepted, what do? You publish another one, right? So don't just give up to say, because they did not accept my first story, so I'm not going to try again. Lucky you, your first story can be accepted. It depends on the hard work you put on that story, right? So that is it. This is another lucrative way to make money online. If you want to make money online, you must not be lazy, especially this kind of opportunity that can give you long-term partnership, long-term avenue to make money. Don't sleep on it at all, right? Another incredible website where you can write short stories and get paid is Barrel House. Okay, barrelhousemag.com. barrelhousemag.com. So this is how it is, right? So as you can see, this place is another lucrative way where you can submit articles and then you get paid. We are currently open for book review, right? So, and this is where you are going to submit your work and get paid, as you can see. So this is where you're going to submit your work, but this particular website, you can submit article, okay? You can submit story. So those are the 2 things you can submit here, either article or story. No problem. It can even be a book series, right? No problem. So you submit there and then wait for their reply. So this is a very good website. And their payment method, most of them are paying through PayPal and most of them are paying through Payoneer, right? So you need a Payoneer account, you need a PayPal account, so that whichever one you're going to be paid through, that wouldn't be a problem for you. So the last but not the least, the next website where you can write short story and get paid is vestareview.net. vestareview.net. So this platform is my go-to-go platform. I love this particular platform so much because they really pay very, very well. They really do pay very, very well, right? So submission guideline. So as you can see, Vasta Review is a magazine for flash fiction. We realize that a flash story has different definitions and all of them have merit. For us, a flash story is no longer than 500 words and it moves from point A to point B. So they want you to be direct and it should not be more than 500 words. Now, if it's longer than 500 words or is too static, it's not for us. We also reject pornography, racism, and excessive gore. So as you can see, they don't want anything pornography, racism, or anything that looks complicating. They just want you to go straight to your point, this is what your article is all about, this is what your story is all about, as they mentioned here, from point A to point B. If it is more than 500 words, is not accepted. So what they needed is 500 words, and this is going to give you no stress compared to other websites that I actually reviewed. Just one is accepting from 1,000 to 22,000 words, right? And the other one is a minimum of 8,000, right? Maximum of, I think, 10,000, right? So but this one is minimum of 500, just 500 words. They don't want stress, they don't need stress, and you are paid heavily for that, right? So this is a great opportunity for you to start now. Like, comment down below which one would you be getting started with, and what could be your challenges for not starting any of these. In fact, I don't even think there is any challenge for you not to start this website. Now, the bonus tip I have for you, you remember the website we initially reviewed that says they don't need ChatGPT? Now, this is what you're going to do. I'll be leaving a link of a particular website, which is Grammarly, right? So you will, after you write your articles using ChatGPT, you take your articles to Grammarly. But I don't know if Grammarly is still free, right? But if it's not free, you can spare 2,000 naira or 3,000 naira and subscribe to their and subscribe to them, so that you can have free access, because what you'll be earning from this platform is not to be compared to anything, right? So if it's free, fine. If it's not free, fine, right? So you copy your article, take it to Grammarly, and let Grammarly do all the whole shuffle for you. Grammarly is going to take the AI part, like that thing that would have made them know that this is AI written article or story and not humanly written, right? Grammarly is going to shuffle it out and rewrite it as human for you. Then another thing, I am going to drop a prompt for you. Before you ask your ChatGPT to write any article for you, first give it that prompt, so that ChatGPT is going to write as a human form for you, so that by the time you take your articles to Grammarly, it will be very easy, right? Ask me in my WhatsApp group, and I'm going to give you that prompt. Grammarly has a tool called plagiarism tool. It's going to plagiarize your work for you, so that it will not have anything like a reused content. It will not have anything like probably you copy from somewhere. It's going to be 100% original. Once that is done, you can copy it and then send it to that website that said they don't need ChatGPT to write this for you, because they themselves have a tool that they're going to use to scan your work to see if it's written by AI or is humanly written. But if you follow these procedures, I tell you, they are not going to detect that it is ChatGPT or AI that wrote it for you, right? So that is all about it. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section, and also drop it in the comment section for me. Which one would you like to try first? Okay, so in my next video, I have amazing videos for you. There is a particular video I wanted to drop, but YouTube is not allowing us to drop such videos, and it is a very, very lucrative way to make money online. So join my WhatsApp group, and I'll be sharing it with you on what to do to make at least good amount of money before this year runs out. So if that interests you, make sure you join my WhatsApp group, and also join my Telegram group. Okay, there I will be releasing amazing updates, because YouTube is very strict with money making niche, currently. So we are being careful in this YouTube street. So there are some content that I'm not going to release in my channel to safeguard my channel, but I will drop them in my WhatsApp group and in my Telegram group. So do well to join. Wow, we've come to the end of this video, but before you rush to start writing your story and all of that, now, have you subscribed to this channel? Have you thumbs up? Like, don't you want your girl to grow in this online space? Like, I have made a whole research to bring this legit updates to you. In return, I ask, like, subscribe, and share to your loved ones. Share it to some of your friends you know that yes, they love writing, or they are literature students, or they are English students, or share it with them. Let them partake in this opportunity. Let all of us make money together. Okay, so haven't you done that? Thank you for liking, thank you for subscribing. I want to see you in my next video. Do have a lovely day, guys. Bye, peace out.